What is the importance of biology? So there are two things that you must understand why biology is very, very important for NEET entrance exam. The one reason is pretty straightforward. This is 50% of the entire paper. So we are saying that out of 720, 360 marks are from biology. So that means this constitutes around 50% of the total marks of the NEET entrance exam. Number two, most of the students are very comfortable in biology, and if you begin your NEET entrance exam with biology section, then this biology section can be completed in 1 hour. So this can be completed actually in less than 1 hour. I am talking about including the marking in the OMR sheet. So that means to attempt the 90 questions, you require around 45 minutes or 50 minutes along with the marking in the OMR sheet. And because majority of the questions will be from NCERT, immediately you can easily understand that most of the questions were easy and you build your confidence. So what happens is that in a 3-hour paper, in the first hour itself, you are done away with biology, which is 50% of the paper, and suddenly you feel lightened and there is less of the stress because the number of questions now are only 50% that are remaining. And moreover, a good student knows, you must be aware of this. आप जानते होंगे इस बात को कि अगर आपने अच्छे से तैयारी करी है तो जब आप पेपर करते हैं तो आपके अंदर दिल में आपको पता चल जाता है कि ये मेरे क्वेश्चंस ठीक हो रहे हैं कि नहीं हो रहे हैं. A good student will be able to understand in the examination hall itself that the paper looks easy. I am getting most of the questions correct. The person is not getting confused. This is likely to happen in biology. And if you begin the NEET entrance exam with biology, this is a very, very important suggestion that I am giving you. If you are good in biology, begin with it. Do 90 questions in the first hour, get 300 plus marks in your bag, and carry the confidence to physics and chemistry. So this is a very, very big importance of biology, that it builds your confidence in the beginning.